What's up, everybody? Welcome to Twisted Angle Garage. In this video we have got the start of a series on a 66 C10, beautiful truck behind me. It's got an LS in it, I assume probably a 4L60, 4L80 in it. It's a pretty good daily driver, got Dakota digital gauges in it. It's just in here for me to put some vintage air on it, maybe run through a few things on the brakes, some other stuff that has been done before. But we've got a full vintage air AC kit to put on it, so we'll do a walk around, check it out before I do any work to it, let you know what I'm doing, and we'll continue the build series in the next videos down the road. So make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends, and follow along. Here we go. So the first thing we need to do is get the radiator out and get the old heater core and all of that stuff that's outside under the hood, get it all out of the way. That way we can start to install the new stuff. But first, let's get all of this stuff out and let's go. Got the radiator out, got the heater core and the blower motor box out. Also got the glove box out, got the heater box inside here out, because you actually have a couple of screws you got to undo that go through the firewall. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we got to get this vent out of the way, and it gets replaced with this panel. So let's get it out of here. Well, that should have come out a lot easier. The little metal tab's bent right there, so it's caught. Alright, got some clear silicone. Next step, we have to use this provided template, and we have to cut it out and put it on the firewall so we know where to drill our hole at. So let's get it cut out and get the hole drilled. Our next step is to get the evaporator box all ready. We have to get some brackets installed on the front and back, and we've got to get these hard lines put on it. So let's get that all assembled before we can get this put in and get it done. That's the end of day one. We got the heater core out, we got the blower motor out, radiator out, all the stuff under the hood is out. We got the stuff under the dash mostly out. We started working on getting things put together to get into the car. Tomorrow we will be putting the evaporator box under the dash, work on getting the vents and the controls and stuff like that in. Then we'll work on getting the compressor on the front of the engine, the condenser, things like that. So make sure you subscribe so you can see the next steps in the build.